up, guys? My name's Tayson.
And I'm Bex.
And today we're going to be opening some hockey cards. We're looking at a Skybox Metal Universe 2021 to 2022 edition. Let's crack this thing open and let's see what we get. It looks like we got 5 packs, 7 cards per pack. Let's open the first pack. Tyler Toffoli, Connor McDavid, the Cheddar, Mika Z, Tanner Janot, Quinn Hughes, Seth Jarvis, Mark Giordano. Now we're gonna open up pack 2. Nathan McKinnon, Philip Grubauer, ooh, a nice Planet Metal, Scott Peronovich, Tim Stutzel, Cole Cylinder, John Klingberg. We got a couple cool ones. Let's go into pack 3. Brent Burns, Nathan McKinnon, ooh, a nice prospect. Anton Blondell, Wade Allison, Kevin Fiala, Mark Sheffield, and Nicholas Backstrom. 2 packs left. No autographs yet. Let's see if we can change that. Nicola Ehlers. Ooh, a big one. That's cool looking. Nathan McKinnon. A prospect. Morgan Barron. Cam Atkinson. Austin Matthews. Steven Stamkos. Dylan Larkin. Last pack of Metal Universe. Let's crack this one open. Mikko Rantanen. Jeff Petrie. Alex Newhook, Alexander Barkov, Jeremy Swayman, Elvis Marlikins, Elias Patterson. All in all, we got some pretty cool cards, but no autographs.
If you like this video,
don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.